Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file on your laptop. So let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type Microsoft Word. Now open Microsoft Word. After that, click on Blank Document. Now you can type anything you want in your PDF. For example, I'll type Hello Guys. If you want to make the text bigger, just select the text and change the font size from the top menu. And if you want to add a picture to your PDF, you can do that too. For that, click on Insert. Now click on Pictures and then choose this device. After that, open the folder where your picture is saved. Now double-click on the picture you want to add. As you can see, the picture has been added successfully. Once your PDF is ready, it's time to save it. So click on File. Now click on Save As, and then select Browse. Choose the location where you want to save your PDF. I'll save it in the volume D. Now enter any name for your PDF file. After that, click on the Save as Type option. Change Word document to PDF. Now click on Save. That's it. Your PDF file has been created successfully. To check it, open the folder where you saved the file, and you will see your PDF there. As you can see, the PDF has been saved successfully. And that's how you can create a PDF file on your laptop. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.